Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn English through the story. This story is very important for you. We will discuss in this story all that about the all tenses. So today we will learn tenses through the also story. This story is will help you to improve your English. If you really want to improve your English, become fluent in this language, this story will help you. Watch this video till the end without skip and don't forget like, share and subscribe. So without any further let's get start into the video. As you can see that the name of the story is that the unwritten future. Okay, let us start. In a bustling town filled with endless noise and ambition, there lived a boy named Arab who refused to let his circumstances define him. एक व्यस्त शहर में जो शोर और महत्वाकांक्षा से भरा हुआ था, आरब नाम का एक लड़का रहता था जो अपनी को खुद पर हावी नहीं होने देता था. Next, he had grown up in an environment where opportunities were scarce, and yet his dreams had always been vast and limitless. वो ऐसे माहौल में बड़ा हुआ था जहाँ अवसर बहुत कम थे, फिर भी उसके सपने हमेशा बड़े और असीमित थे. While others were complaining about their struggles, Arab was silently working on building a better version of himself. इन हिंदी, जहाँ दूसरे लोग अपनी परेशानियों की शिकायत कर रहे थे, वहीं आरब चुपचाप खुद को बेहतर रूप बनाने में लगा हुआ था. Next, every failure that he faced was teaching him something valuable, and he had begun to see challenges as stepping stone rather than obstacles. हर असफलता उसे कुछ महत्वपूर्ण सिखा रही थी और उसने चुनौतियों को रुकावट के बजाय सीढ़ियों की तरह देखना शुरू कर दिया था. There were moments when he felt completely lost, as if all his efforts were going in vain. ऐसे पल भी आते थे जब वो खुद को पूरी तरह खोया हुआ महसूस करता था, मानो उसकी सारी मेहनत बेकार जा रही थी. However, he would remind himself that success is not achieved overnight, it is built gradually with persistence and courage. हालांकि लेकिन वो खुद को याद दिलाता था कि सफलता रातों रात नहीं मिलती, यह धीरे धीरे निरंतर मेहनत और साहस से बनती है. One evening, as he was walking alone, he realized that he had already further than he had ever imagined. एक शाम जब वह अकेला चल रहा था, उसे एहसास हुआ कि वह पहले से कई ज़्यादा आगे जा चुका है जितना उसने कभी सोचा था. That realization changed his perspective, and he decided that he would no longer doubt his journey. उस एहसास ने उसकी सोच बदल दी और उसने तय किया कि अब वो अपनी यात्रा पर कभी शक नहीं करेगा. Then next, he is now working harder than ever, and he is continuously learning new skills to improve himself. अब वह पहले से भी ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा है और खुद को बेहतर बनाने की नई चीज़ें सीख रहा है. In the future, he will not only achieve his dreams but also inspire others who are afraid to take the first step. भविष्य में वो न केवल अपने सपनों को पूरा करेगा बल्कि उन लोगों को भी प्रेरित करेगा जो पहला कदम उठाने से डरते हैं. His story will remind the world that the future is not something that is written in advance. It is something that we create with our action. उसकी कहानी दुनिया को याद दिलाएगी कि भविष्य पहले से लिखा हुआ नहीं होता, यह हमारे कर्मों से बनता है। द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट योर फ्यूचर इज क्रिएटेड बाय व्हाट यू डू टुडे, नॉट बाय व्हाट यू फियर टुमारो। आपका भविष्य इस बात से बनता है कि आप आज क्या करते हैं, न कि कल से कितने डरते हैं। So guys, today's session is ends here. We'll meet very soon in next video with this session. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching.